Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to download bank statement from Kotak Net Banking. If you don't know the process, I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. One more important thing, I'm showing this process on my laptop, but if you don't have a laptop or PC, you can follow the same steps on your mobile phone. So open any particular browser and search for Kotak Net Banking. This is the Net Banking link. Select that, enter the login details and just complete the login. If you don't know your CRN number, username, or if you don't know your password, I've already made a video on that how can you get CRN number, username, or how can you reset the password. Links for that video is in description below. You can go and check it out after this one. So once you complete the login process, this is how the interface will look like. If you're using mobile phone, then the interface might be different, but the options are going to be same. Now, if you want to download statement, look for statements option like this, select that, and then select account statements. On the next page, first it will show you recent transactions, so you can apply filter. Currently you can see it is set to this month. If you want last month, custom date, or if you want statement for last 92 days, that is for recent transaction. You can apply the filter. You can also change the view option over here. Currently it is only displaying 10 transaction per page. If you select 25, it will display 25 transaction like this, right? If you want to download the statement, tap on download option, select download statement, and choose the format like this. If you want PDF format, you can select that. If you want CSV, you can choose that. Once I select PDF, this is the downloaded file. I can just view the file, and this is the statement for recent transaction. Now, if you want annual statement, then you can choose the next option which says annual account statements. Once you select that, it will take you to this particular option. Now over here there are two more options. One is account statements for current year and account statement for previous year. Now if you want to download statement for previous year, again you get two more options. One is download calendar year or download financial year. So depending on your requirement, you can choose whichever option is more convenient to you. If you want to download statement for previous financial year, you can select download financial year option, and for current year you can do the same. So if I tap on download, again you can see it is asking me to choose the format which is PDF and CSV. I'm going to select PDF, and once the file is downloaded, you can check it out. So this is the statement for previous financial year. You can also check out account details over here. Also one more thing, if you want to choose a specific date, you can select advanced filter option in annual account statement. You can choose the date which you want, and you can apply the filter, and then you can download statement for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.